friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow. Friends, today we are going to talk about how to repair a drip pipe. Friends, many times it happens, so our drip system get leakage into the middle. That may be because of the either the rat or the squirrel may bite the tube, or sometimes it happens that our tool while weeding can damage our pipe. Once the pipe is damaged, the water is coming out of in the middle of the way, and the further dripper will not function properly because the pressure dropped from the major leakage. So if we don't repair this, then our system will not work uniformly and will not get the balanced watering into our plants. So we must repair this system. Now the one way is to repair this pipe with cutting this pipe and adding the joint, and we can repair this, but that is a costly thing. Also, when we have our pipe is too long, then once we cut and join, our dripper position will be changed. So instead of that, I will show you alternative way with which we can repair this pipe. So you can see that here is some leakage is there and water is coming out. For repairing, we must have like this plastic roll, which is a stretch wrap roll, which is normally used for the packing. We can use this same roll for repairing our pipe. Now I will show you and demonstrate how I am repairing this. So first we need to identify the leakage. Then we must clean the surface if any soil is there. So we are cleaning this. Once we clean, then we need to wrap this plastic around this leakage. Now for wrapping, we must take first wrap outside the leakage, not on the leakage. So we will take the first one round. Then gradually we need to literally stretch and wrap. Stretch and wrap. So likewise, we will cover this leakage with this tape. And you can see that our leak is absolutely gone. Now if the dripper is in the way, then we can make the hole with some needle or some pointed thing, or else its drip is now repaired. So likewise, you can repair your drip very easily, quickly and very cheaply. So how do you like this procedure of repairing drip tape with the stretch wrap roll? Write me back into the comment. And if you like this way, then give me the thumb. I will share with you the similar ideas for getting solutions very cheaply on your own. Happy growing!